Sunreef recently took an expedition over to the Galapagos, which was an absolutely out of this world experience. Check out some of the GoPro footage we got.
1, 2, 3, go!
If you're looking at going on a diving or snorkeling based holiday, then Sunreef has some great destinations planned for 2015. You can give the shop a call or check out the website for further details.